Hey everyone, it's been a while since my last upload, but I'm finally back with another adventure packed vlog. Today I'm taking you along as I escape the hustle and bustle of work and head to the breathtaking Morialot beach in Melbourne. And let me tell you, it's a scorcher of a day, so grab your sunscreen and sets because we are in for a sunny and hot adventure. Let's dive in.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting behind. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
बोल गया राजा
Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Not too bad. And that wrap up our day at Morialot Beach, Melbourne. Despite the scorching sun, we had an absolute blast soaking in the stunning views and enjoying the waves. If you enjoyed diving along on this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.